Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove devices from Hulu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you logged onto Hulu at an Airbnb or at an hotel. How do you actually go ahead and remove those devices? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Hulu on your computer or laptop. Next, click on your profile icon and then click on Account. Now on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says Add Your Devices. Click on Manage Devices, and then this is where you could actually go ahead and remove the devices that are logged onto your Hulu account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove devices from your Hulu account. Additionally, you can also add devices by adding their code here, but I'll save that for another video. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.